Is there a key combination to cycle through clipboard history when pasting in Windows? In Visual Studio, I can cycle through my clipboard history by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus V rather than Ctrl plus V. I believe it's called a clipboard ring. But that feature doesn't seem to exist outside of Visual Studio, at least not with the same key combination. Is there a keystroke combination built into Windows to do the same, be able to cycle through your clipboard history while pasting?
Windows 7 and previous versions does not have such a built-in clipboard management feature, but you might want to read the following article. This URL. I recommend Ditto and Clips.
As of Windows 10 version 1809, Windows now has built-in clipboard history. You can push Quad plus Win plus V to show it. Note that this still has many fewer features than Ditto, so that would still be a good option to consider.
Version